How to fix Oculus Quest tracking problems. So if you're having issues tracking your Oculus Quest movements or anything like that, then there could be various ways to fix it. The first thing we'll do is we'll open up settings. On the left hand side, you can go to the option that says general. From general, you can scroll up and just select software update. Check if your Oculus Quest is updated to the latest version. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, what you can do is scroll down and go to power and try to restart your headset as well. See if that helps you. Then go to environment setup on the left hand side, clear your boundaries, travel mode, and set up your space. Also go to world movement and make sure to turn on all of the other movements available. Go to movement tracking and turn on hand and body tracking to see if that helps you, and also make sure that headset tracking is enabled and that tracking frequency is set to auto, or you can set this to 60 Hz. That is all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.